Right, hi everyone. So I thought I'll post a little video as I haven't posted anything ages because I just don't have time to do the videos anymore. But I just thought I'd do a bit of an update video. So if I can try and remember where I was. If you remember there's a leak down there. Oh, I can't see it now. Oh yeah, you can just about make it out. No, that's the filter. It's above the filter. No, I can't get my phone in there to see it. It is. Oh, there it is. Just there. If you remember, I had an oil leak when I had it run up. Well, I do still need to tune it, as when it ticks over, this carb's not sucking in as much air as the other carb, so I need to balance the carbs. But it was running fairly good anyway. But right, so what else have we done? We've had the roof off again, and we've painted that, as you can see. We fitted the front screen, and I've been fitting all the panels up. This is why I've really taken a long time, just to test fit it all really before I paint them all. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it really. So you can see they're all fitted on. These doors are really good. One this side needs a bit of work. The boot's off of it at the moment because that's in here. I've been stripping the paint off. I've run out of power at the moment because some numpty didn't charge up their batteries for the grinders and stuff. Not that I've been grinding that, don't get me wrong, but where I use that inverter box, there's not enough power in it now to power up my DA sander, so that's come to an end at the minute. I've also finished stripping off the bonnet, so that all needs DAing off now as well. So my plan is to paint the bonnet, paint the boot, paint the scuttle, which is up there, which obviously I still need to prep, and then paint the rear scuttle, do all of them panels in one hit, and then do the left hand side panels. That's the left hand side panels, and then the right hand side panels. But yeah, it is still coming along, and I will just do the odd update video, but like I said, I really haven't got any time to keep doing the videos. But there's plenty of photos on Facebook for those of you that's on Facebook, and yeah, that's it. It's getting there, starting to look like a car now. Alright, thanks for checking in and watching, and I'll catch you when I do another one. Alright, cheers, bye.